I'm Sandra for Transparent Language. Lange nicht gesehen, long time no see, so I hope you remember me. I'd like to finish my series on telling the time in German because there is still one episode missing. Maybe you remember in my last video I claimed that people tend to tell the time differently depending on whether we use mechanical clocks or digital ones. And this is especially true when we are compelled to tell the time with mechanical clocks. Example, tell me, what's the exact time? I guess you cannot tell because all you can recognize is that the big hand is anywhere between the 5th and the 10th minute. So what does the average German speaker do? Germans orient themselves by these 5-minute steps. That is, we know that when the big hand is on number 1, it's 5 minutes past. When the big hand is on number 2, it's 10 minutes past. When the big hand is on number 3, it's 15 minutes past, and so on. So, and what I'm going to do now is to tell you how to cite the time in German correctly with the aid of these 5-minute steps. So, and the first thing you need to know is the phrase which you have to use. And this phrase is es ist ... Here you have to insert the minutes. And then it goes on with a preposition. It can either be nach, past, or vor, to ... And here you have to insert the hour. Okay, let's start then. I will set the clock to 12 o'clock. And the little hand will stay all of the time on number 12 because the focus is on the big hand right now. So, when the big hand is on number 1, you say es ist 5 nach 12. When the big hand is on number 2, you say es ist 10 nach 12. When the big hand is on number 3, you can either say es ist 1:15. Maybe I should move the little hand a bit now to make things much clearer. So es ist 1:15. That's the Berlin-Brandenburg style, as I call it. Or in standard German it is es ist 1/4 nach 12. Okay, let's go on. When the big hand is on number 4, you say es ist 20 nach 12. So when the big hand is on number 5, you don't have to know the German word for number 25 because you won't need that number because telling time here is a little bit weird. When the big hand is on number 5, you say es ist 5 vor halb 1, which literally means it's 5 to half 1. Okay, and when the big hand is on number 6, we simply say es ist 12:30. It is 12:30. Okay, and when the big hand is on number 7, we do this in the same way as with number 5. So here we say es ist 5 nach halb 1. Literally, it's 5 past half 1. Okay, so when the big hand is on number 8, we have a look to the next hour. So here we have to use the preposition vor, to. Es ist 20 vor 1. It is 20 to 1. When the big hand is on number 9, you say es ist 3/4 1. It is 3/4 1. That's the Berlin Brandenburg style. En Standard German, es ist 1/4 It's 1/4. So, and when the big hand is on number 10, you say es ist 10/1. It's 10 to 1. And finally, when the big hand is on number 11, you say es ist 5/1. It's 5 to 1.